Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Friday morning forecast update. It is the first day of summer, and it is going to feel like it today. Just on time, we do have our first heat advisory of the season here that is going to be in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. High humidity today, and your temperatures in the mid-90s will combine to bring feels-like temperatures a little bit later this afternoon, 105 or above. So what you need to do if you work outside, take plenty of breaks, find some shade, drink plenty of water, and just kind of a common sense kind of thing here. If you do feel yourself getting kind of faint, lightheaded, or something of that nature, immediately seek some air conditioning or some shelter. As far as your temperatures this morning, we still have some locations in the 80s. We had the clouds build in overnight, also the south wind, so we're starting out much warmer this morning. That's one of the reasons we are expecting that we will be a little bit warmer this afternoon. So I've got 95 in Shreveport. We did hit 93 yesterday, but since we're starting out in the upper 70s a little bit later, we should easily at least make it into the low 90s and quite possibly the mid-90s. Visibility just fine since we don't have the cooler temperatures, not seeing much in the way of fog, and the south wind is with us 10 to 15 miles per hour this morning. It is going to be breezy, so a few gusts today expected to be in the 20 mile per hour range. No rain. It is a pretty quiet pattern here across the region. We will see partly cloudy skies at times, see a little bit of rain popping up over to the west just due to the dry line. That's not going to affect us today, so your Robin's Toyota Futurecast just kind of shows those partly cloudy conditions as we go through the day. A few sea breeze thunderstorms may come close, but I've left our forecast dry today and tomorrow, so if you have outdoor plans on Saturday, should be just fine. It will be another hot one, so if you have yard work, errands you need to take care of, make sure you do that early. And then as we move into the day Sunday, there's our next chance of rain making its way in. That should bring us a little bit of a cool down Sunday, but more likely into early next week. Rainfall totals maybe in that 1 to 2 inch range over the next 7 days, and temperature is going to cruise along here low to mid 90s through the Saturday, and again with the rain and cloud cover Sunday, we should see temperatures fall off a little bit, and then a few days in the 80s next Monday and Tuesday. And we'll start to dry out, but just isolated rain chances through the middle of next week with highs returning to near 90 by Wednesday.